The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a hybrid setup that combines a quad-turbocharged W16 engine, similar to the Chiron's legendary powertrain, with advanced electric motors. Together, this setup produces an astonishing 1,500 horsepower, making it the most powerful motorhome in the world. Despite its large size, the Bugatti Motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, which is unheard of for a vehicle of this category. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety reasons, but the engineering behind it is capable of much more. The advanced suspension system adapts in real time to road conditions, providing unmatched comfort on highways while maintaining stability through corners. Bugatti has also equipped it with all-wheel drive, advanced traction control, and regenerative braking systems to maximize efficiency. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the hybrid system allows for short-distance electric-only driving, perfect for entering cities or campgrounds silently and emissions-free. Driving the Bugatti Motorhome feels more like piloting a luxury hypercar than a traditional motorhome. The handling is precise, the acceleration is thrilling, and yet the ride quality remains incredibly smooth. Bugatti has managed to create a perfect balance between power and comfort, something that has never been achieved in this segment before. Finally, let's discuss the price. Of course, a vehicle like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is priced starting around $5.5 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever produced. But this price tag reflects its exclusivity, its engineering marvel, and the unmatched luxury it provides. Only a very limited number will be produced, ensuring that owning one of these is not just about transportation, but about joining an elite group of Bugatti enthusiasts who want the ultimate travel experience. To sum it up, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is not just another luxury motorhome. It is a revolutionary concept that blends the thrill of Bugatti performance with the comfort of a luxury residence on wheels. From its breathtaking exterior design to its world-class interior, from its astonishing powertrain to its sky-high exclusivity, everything about this motorhome screams Bugatti. It redefines what is possible in the world of motorhomes and sets a new benchmark for the future. If you are someone who demands the best of both worlds, extreme performance and uncompromising luxury, the Bugatti Motorhome is truly in a class of its own. This is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a statement, and a symbol of ultimate prestige on the road. Dude!